Hello classmates, my name is Juan Gutierrez Maldonado. I am a student of the SEMA Virtual English course. Today I will describe the preparation of my favorite food. My favorite food is Hawaiian pizza. Ingredients are 1 pound of acai cheese, 2 pounds of wheat flour, 3 pounds of sweet pineapple chunks, 1 pound of a chicken ham, and a little tomato paste, 200 grams of the butter, a cup of water. Preparation. First, I prepare the wheat flour arepa with a little butter and water. Later, I add the ingredients on the arepa. I must first put the tomato paste. On the tomato paste, I add the sweet pineapple in pieces. Right away, I include on the sweet pineapple the chicken ham and the grated cheese. Finally, put the pizza in the oven at 80 degrees for 40 minutes. Then it results a delicious Hawaiian pizza. Thank you so much. Bye bye.